Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your figures that have bent spears, bent swords and bent cannon barrels and so on as well. It's a very quick and easy trick. What you need is you're going to need 1 glass of burning hot boiling water and 1 glass of icy cold water. So what you do here, you take this figure here, which is from the Waylanders game. It's a game from Draco Ideas. I'm going to show you how to paint it quite soon. But before that, I wanted to show you how you can fix this guy's bent spear, because he doesn't like it. So what you do simply here is you simply put the spear into the burning hot water for like 5 seconds. And then, let me see if I can do this. And then you simply adjust the spear to the correct angle where you want it. See if I can do that here for you. Do it on the other hand. If it doesn't work, you just try it again. Put it there. Try to readjust it a little bit. Something like that. And that means you put it back in the icy cold water and leave it there for 5 to 10 seconds. Let it harden, and after that you are done. So that's a quick and easy way to fix someone's broken spear. Well, not broken spear, but bent spear, bent cannon barrels, bent swords. It happens on every single game pretty much, and that's the way you do it. If it doesn't work the first time, try a second time and then rinse and repeat. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.